Hi, Namaste, everybody.
Namaste.
Today we are going to discuss on a very important topic, which says letting go. We will talk a detail about this, and to explain about this, I have got my very close friend with me, Ranjita Shah, and I will request Ranjita Shah to introduce herself very briefly. Yes, Ranjita, can you just, in a few words, explain your role over here?
Yeah. Hi, friends. Namaste. I am Ranjita, and Vikrant is there, and Umesh is also there with us. We are all in the same yoga community. So I welcome everybody. I have been into yoga for a couple of, say, you can say 25 to 30 years. I've been dealing with yoga, and yoga is in my passion, in my blood. I love doing yoga, and I love to take up classes for all those wishing to. My specifications is that I deal with depression, I deal with persons who are unable to let go. Yes.
Good thing you told a very nice thing about depression and letting go. I would like to ask you, Ranjita, what kind of situations disturb you the most?
Kind of situations disturbs me the most is that daily tantrums, daily negotiations, daily chit chats, or you know, hurting words with your near and dear ones, or sometimes even the strangers trespass you with a weird comment, and you're going with a very enthusiastic mood, and all of a sudden you get words. Those words drain you out. So these are the words which I feel to let go, and I've now started letting go, and I would like everybody to do the same.
Good thing. I would just like to know, Ranjita, can you share one example where you are holding on your with your drained energy? When you talked of drained off, I would just like to give me an example of holding on when when your energy is being drained off.
Holding on to what?
You are holding on the
Positive,
drained,
positive,
yeah,
positive things.
positive. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Right.
See, like I would give a live example. The other day, I was well decked up and going to my friend's place, one of our colleagues' place, for Vishwakarma Puja. Now, with Vishwakarma Puja, we decked up ourselves very nicely. And all of a sudden, while I reached station, I heard a weird comment. Weird comment which was against the situation, and it was a shocking thing. So previously, what I used to do is that I kept on wondering about the comments, and it drained my energy, and I did not enjoy the present moments. But I kept on dragging the moments which had passed long back in the morning hours, and I kept on brooding upon the things. This time, this year, what I did is that soon after I reached station, I made positive videos. I spoke to myself, Ranjita, let go. Those things are not meant to you. You are not going to gain anything for you about you. Why take it with yourself? You're not getting paid for the criticism which you have received. Why are you working upon the things which you do not want to carry? This is not your syllabus. So I let go. And the day went very well.
Very nice. You have told a very good thing about letting go of. Can I ask you what has been the hardest thing for you to let go?
Yeah. The hardest thing is that when last year I was left alone, nobody was there with me, and my son was struggling with a very health related issue. Nobody was with me. Neither my father had just recently passed away. No relative of mine was with me. But then I let go all the emotional struggles, all the sad things, and I concentrated on the positive things. I believe that the sun is not denying me of his sunlight. The moon is still giving me moonlight. The air is still breezing. I'm getting fresh air. The birds are still chirping for me. So I gathered all the energy in abundance from the riches which we get in free. I focused on the positive things of the nature. So I let go the bad things. Now I carried on. That's it.
Very good, very good. Uh, how do negative energy, how do negative emotions affect your energy? You talked of
See,
having positive
yeah,
this.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. See, if we hold on to sometimes we meet people who might be strangers, and we don't, because we being yogis, we very well come to know that there are negative energy flowing on, but we do not have control on that. So, if we do not focus on our positive things and if we do not pay attention, what happens unknowingly, even if that person is not interacting, even if that person is not a relative or is not related to any of our works, but the negative energy is so much that negative person keeps on discussing negativism every time. So, slowly, if you do not focus on the positive things around, because there are always positive vibes around, you have to just search around. The sunlight is there, the air is there, the birds are there, the animals are there, the trees are there. So you have to concentrate, you have to focus, you have to look, you have to smell, you have to see, and just move your head this way, not this way. The person, negative person is sitting here, the negative person is sitting here. Instead of, do not make faces, do not let him know that you are not gaining positive energy. Otherwise, all your energy, wherever you are going for, whatever you want to do, drains. Just check it out with yourself. And in case you want to gain the positivity from that moment, even if there's nothing, it's a dark room, it's nothing is there, no air is there, you simply close your eyes and look within yourself, the positivity you're having, then you'll feel positive. Did I answer?
Yes, definitely. And Ranjita, I would like to go further and ask you. You talked a lot about positive energy. Can you just tell me how your positive energy affects the people around you?
I don't get you, Vikrant.
How does your positive energy impacts the people around you?
Yes, definitely. The positive energy which I possess, because I never attract, I do not keep the negativism within myself. I just let go. And I always attract the positivity in everybody. Even if the person is negative, there are certain positivity. But I am so happy always at every moment because I get abundance from each and every. Even this speaker gives me energy. Even this glass of water gives me energy. Even the living beings give me energy. The non living beings give me energy. And the people around, if I, give back the energy, it comes back to me in abundance. So I'm always happy. I'm never down. Whenever I am down, There are so much positivity around because I have already spread it. So that is it. Did I answer?
Fantastic, fantastic. You told a very important thing. But I would like to, you talked about you let go everything. I would like to ask you, what advice would you like to give to those people who find it very hard to let go? What will you advise them?
Do you want to be happy? Do you want to be successful? Do you want to earn money? Do you want to reach the pinnacle of success? Then just let go. Just let go. Whatever is disturbing you, whatever is maybe that you are not able to handle your kids, maybe that you are very pathetically dealing with your in-laws, maybe that you are not having a very good relationship with your kids, with your husband, with anybody, with your friends, with your mother, with your parents. Just let go. Be happy with yourself. Just feel that you are the best friend. You are yourself the best friend and see the success, see the happiness. Just be happy. Don't depend upon any situation. Don't depend upon this will happen, this will. Just be happy and you will be happy forever and success follows. You get the first, you receive the aim, success follows. You are happy, you receive your aim, you reach your aim, success follows, and then you gain money, 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 money. It is not that if you gain money, then success, then happiness, then ambition. No, it's the other way around.
Very good, very good. Uh, at last, I would like to ask you, which belief or which affirmation keeps you strong and tough?
Strong and tough, one
Yes.
particular sentence: let go. Good
Very
or
good.
bad, good or bad, you may be in the ladder of success. You people might be, praising you like anything. You are like, you are becoming the prime minister, you have received the Bharat Ratna award, you have received the highest award of the universe. But then let go, let go, let go. Believe in yourself, believe the impermanent world, only believe in the truth and you'll be happy. Let go of everything, everything, everything. Just believe in the cosmic energy and let go the sad, the good, the worst, the weird, and the most top success also. Even if you are the highest yogi, I would say just let go because these are all temporary. Did I answer?
Very good, Ranjita. It was a very nice answer. And I think it totally resonates with what Maharshi Patanjali said, Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. You let everything go and calm down your mind. I had a very nice discussion with you, Ranjita. You shared very, very important issues and told how to let go of everything and be happy. Thank you very much for coming
Thank
over
you. I would
here.
request
Yeah,
one question if Umesh, if you could ask me one particular question, I could answer you. Please.
Sure.
Umesh is, if you, Vikrant, if you could say any definition about Umesh.
Umesh, can you just introduce yourself and ask the question very briefly?
I'm Umesh Kaushik. I am my niche is mind body balance, sleeplessness, sleep disorders, and अभी जो जैसे जो निश रंजीता का है वही मेरा निश है एंड हमारा जो निश मिलता है तो इनसे एक मेरा यही क्वेश्चन है कि जो हम पॉजिटिवनेस में रहते हैं ठीक है लेकिन एक बड़ा सबसे डिफिकल्ट जो एस्पेक्ट होता है जब हमारे आसपास नेगेटिव एनवायरनमेंट होता है, सपोज, क्योंकि हर टाइम एक समय एक जैसा नहीं रहता है, तो जब नेगेटिव होता है उसके अंदर हमको अपने को पॉजिटिव बना के रखना कितना डिफिकल्ट, मतलब कितना आसान या डिफिकल्ट होता है, ये क्वेश्चन मेरा है बड़ा। मतलब ये बार बार आता है मेरे दिमाग में कि वी आर पॉजिटिव, situations or circumstances are not positive, yeah, people are not positive, they are not sending us positive vibes, but how to control ourselves and how to spread positiveness in that environment.
Thank you so much, Umesh. Actually, this answer I have already given because Vikrant had already asked me this question, but then I will clarify. If you are saying that हमारे चारों तरफ बहुत अंधेरा है, चारों तरफ बहुत नेगेटिव एनर्जी है, उस सिचुएशन में हम कितना भी, जैसे चारों तरफ हमारे खाई है, गहराई है, कांटे हैं, बिखरे हुए हैं, लेकिन हम कैसे अपने आप को पॉजिटिव रखें, यही है ना आपका सवाल। जस्ट आंखें बंद कीजिए, चारों तरफ आपका अंधेरा है, आपको कुछ नहीं देखने की जरूरत है, लेकिन आपकी अंतरात्मा में आप देखिए, आपके अंतरात्मा में इतनी ज्यादा पॉजिटिविटी है। जस्ट आंखें बंद कीजिए, आप ध्यान में बैठिए, प्रणाम मुद्रा कीजिए, ऐसे बैठिए, कुछ भी बैठिए, 3 बार ओम बोलिए, मन मन में बोलिए, अगर जोर से नहीं बोलना है, अंतरात्मा में देखिए, देखिए दिन बन जाएगा, चारों तरफ अंधेरा हट जाएगा और सूर्य की किरणें आपको दिखने लगेंगी। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू वेरी मच,
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
बहुत अच्छा
Thank you.
जवाब दिया।
Thank you, everybody. I would like to have one-to-one discussion with Vikrant. Maybe on Sunday we'll catch up. Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
Umesh also. Thank you.
थैंक यू।